Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasin Alfred Secondary School Marngar, kalayo bandra no ia ka nam Lahduh, lani ka overall champion, napdeng kilai punre tali ki school bat palat khandai spatam ki khana school. Ki balawan banishim benta ha ka district level inter school athlete meet jong usnam araja apusan balai sngi lenter. Kabalapan kot benta kasi hamadan yele kai jong ka NSCA mini stadium paham sim. Ha kane ka Limpong, kabalapalong da ka office jong u district sports officer ka Bhoi district. Ha ka jinge trailang ringkat bat ka athletic committee jong ka Bhoi district sports association ka St. Alfred Secondary School Marngar kalayo ban khur hado khandai tali ki trophy kum ka Lahduh ha ka best team jong ka kerdan under 14 ki kinthai, under 16 ki kinthai, under 18 ki kinthai bat shinrang nalor ki khusnam shimet lani kum kita kinong yele kai ki bakan saitam. Nalor ka St. Alfred Secondary School Marngar ki wayde ki school ki layo ra ya ka nam job ki kinthop ya ka MEECL Secondary School Nongsder ha ka kerdan under 14 jong ki shinrang ka St. Jude Secondary School Umpher ha ka kerdan under 16 ki shinrang lembat ki khusnam shimen balayo akhur da ka Christian Higher Secondary School Paham sim ha ka kerdan under 14 jong ki shinrang. Kinong job ya ka nam Lahduh ha ka ne ka Limpong yele kai jong ka district kin sa yo apat ya ka lat bandang pentebet shushu yele de ha ki tei ki khindiat sngi ki bansawan na ka benta banishim benta pat ha ka state level inter school athletic meet ar hajar apusan ka bansalong hanong ba shillong. Ha ka ne ka sngi penha perda ya ka ne ka Limpong lawan banedon ringkat lang daw Abhilash Baranwal u deputy commissioner ka Bhoi kum ukongsan unaman Kumar u additional superintendent of police ka Bhoi district ka kong KB Jirwa ka district school education officer ka Bhoi uba Bobby L Nongbet u DSO ka Bhoi nalor kinong yalam ka RBDSA bat kiwe de.
One event that you can participate in. It is a whole crux, a whole lesson for the rest of your life. The first example that I would like to mention is of a Hungarian shooter, Karoli Tekes. So he was the dead favorite to win the Olympics. He was an army officer based in Hungary during the World War II era. Now during one of the exercises, unfortunately he lost his right hand, the shooting hand, and he had practiced all his life to win that Olympic tournament. Now all of us can imagine how difficult it might have been for him. All your lifelong hard work gone to waste. But he did not give up. He started practicing with his left hand, slowly, silently, and subsequently he went on to win 2 Olympics. Another example is of Roger Bannister. So it was thought that a human being cannot run 1 mile under 4 minutes. It was thought that it is not physically possible for a human being to do that. But eventually, with a lot of effort, with a lot of hard work, determination, faith, Roger Bannister was able to complete 1 mile in under 4 minutes. And that was an achievement in itself. And since then, numerous people have achieved this feat.
To be standing amongst all of you here in the closing ceremony of what has been an extremely successful district level inter-school athletic meet 2025. So for that, I wholeheartedly congratulate our district sports officer Bhoi and his entire team for having an extremely meticulously planned and flawlessly executed event. So Bhoi, many congratulations. Simultaneously, I've not really witnessed the entire event, but the only event that I could witness the kind of rivalry and the competition and the zeal with which the children have participated, that is also displayed in the numbers who have gathered here. So I congratulate everyone and anyone and everyone who have been a part of this Athletic Meet 2025 for the enthusiasm, for the zeal and for the determination that you have shown in participating in this meet.
I congratulate you, each and every one of you. All of you have participated in this athletic meet organized by the District Sports Officer Bhoi District Marngar. The main important thing is your spirit of participating. No matter what, we win or lose. In life, we have to face challenges where one loses and one wins. But even though if we don't win a trophy or we don't get a trophy in this athletic meet, it doesn't mean that we have to give up. As students, we should never give up. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again.